Yoga Sittar Om Sri Rajayoga Guru Saranam. Greetings to all. My name is Malika Mariappan. I attended the 113th Yogic Power Seminar. I attended the Yogic Power Seminar mainly due to a major health problem. I was suffering from a chronic illness that was causing me a lot of agony and misery. For more than 3 years, I couldn't consume rice. Every time I ate rice, I will just vomit it out. I had a peculiar digestive disorder. But then I had to eat. So out of no choice, I resorted to eating biscuits dipped in warm water for breakfast, string hopper with plain sugar for lunch, and biscuits dipped in warm water again for dinner. For nearly 4 years, I suffered like this. At all the functions I attended, it was a real torture to refrain from eating the delicious food served. My family members too were saddened by my situation. I had sought umpteen medical treatments and visited numerous mediums for help. I left no stone unturned, but all to no avail. Then suddenly, one fine day, my elder sister informed me of a seminar held in Kuala Lumpur. She highly recommended me to go for it, saying that there were many fantastic testimonies of cured illnesses. Honestly speaking, I was overwhelmed with happiness that there could be a solution to my problem. All I wanted was to be able to eat like normal. I attended the seminar but had my reservations. At the back of my mind, I was worried and nervous whether this too would end up like all the others where I just got cheated of my money. But once the session started and as I listened to everything that was said, all my doubts vanished and I became very clear in my mind. I found renewed strength within me. I was determined to practice all the techniques taught diligently. Every day I did the self-healing, meditation, divine shield and charged water techniques at home. And within a month, my digestive disorder just vanished. Honestly, I didn't even realize it until I was at a function and a situation cropped up. Usually when I attend Indian functions where they mostly serve banana leaf rice, my fear of vomiting would always stop me from eating. However, at a recent function, without realizing it, I sat down to eat. As expected, I was served banana leaf rice. My inner voice, my intuition repeatedly told me that I could eat the food and that I was going to be fine. I sincerely chanted Guru Namam and with much awaited anticipation, I ate the food which I have not had in such a long time. I was amazed because there was absolutely no vomiting. Only then did it dawn upon me that I was completely cured of my digestive disorder. I was truly overjoyed. I rushed home to share this wonderful news with my loved ones. With sheer happiness, I shouted out loudly to my family that I could now eat to my heart's content. I guess I must be the first person in the world to be so happy to be able to eat rice. This is indeed an unforgettable experience for me. There and then I decided that my entire family must attend this fantastic seminar. Both my children and my husband have since attended the seminar. Another wonderful experience I had concerns my son's education. What I've realized is, Datta Sri Guruji has created the platform for us to accomplish just about anything in life using the yogic power. If you focus determinedly on a goal, the yogic power will easily bring the goal to completion. My son, a straight A student, has always had this burning desire to pursue a medical degree. Hence, after attending the seminar, he was determined to fulfill this ambition. The only obstacle in his path was our financial situation. But bearing in mind that anything is possible with the yogic power, my son practiced the techniques persistently with determination and faith in Datta Sri Guruji. Not only my son, the entire family collectively set it as our mission to see him through this. All of us practiced the techniques diligently and prayed fervently to Datta Sri Guruji. As a result of which, today, my son is in his 4th year of MBBS at a university in Bangladesh. He will be completing his medical studies next year. All my relatives were stunned. They never imagined that we could put my son through medical school since my husband was just an ordinary wage earner in a company. I can tell you, we managed to do it only by the grace of Datta Sri Guruji and the greatness of the yogic power. My husband's prayers as well as his practice of the techniques enabled him to secure a massive project which brought in huge profits, sufficient to finance my son's MBBS degree. I must say, yogic power is truly magnificent. I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt gratitude and sincere thanks to Datta Sri Guruji and Datin Sri Ji. Yoga Sittar Om Sri Rajayoga Guru Saranam.